Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get all the notifications. Hi everyone, you are listening to Sunana and welcome to my channel Miss Mama. अपनी लास्ट वीडियो में मैंने आपसे शेयर किया था कि हाउ यू कैन टीच अल्फाबेट्स टू योर चिल्ड्रन एंड उस वीडियो में मैंने आपको बताया था कि अल्फाबेट्स पढ़ाने के पीछे सबसे ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट होता है अल्फाबेट्स की साउंड्स या उसके फोनिक्स. सो इस वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ सारे अल्फाबेट्स के साउंड्स या फिर फोनिक्स आपको बताऊंगी और उनसे रिलेटेड ऐसे 3 वर्ड्स बताऊंगी जो कि हम अपनी लाइफ में कॉमनली यूज तो करते हैं पर कभी कभी उन्हें भूल जाते हैं बताना या इंट्रोड्यूस करवाना अपने बच्चों से. सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम, let's start the video. The first letter of the alphabet is A. This is A. The sound of A is A. A says A. A says A. A, almond. A, aloe vera. A, acne. Next letter is letter B. B says B. B says B. Bieber, bed sheet. Bieber, bed sheet. Bieber, bubbles. Bieber, bubbles. Bieber, bathtub. Bieber, bathtub. Next letter is letter C. C says K. C says K. Seeker, commode. Seeker, commode. Seeker, curd. Seeker, curd. Seeker, curtain. Seeker, curtain. Next letter is letter D. D says D. D says D. D, donut. D, donut. D, diamond. D, diamond. D, dressing table. D, dressing table. Next letter is letter E. E says E. E says E. 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 Exercise. E. Exercise. E. Elevator. E. Elevator. And sometimes E की sound E की जगह E भी आती है. E. E. Like emoji. Emoji. Next letter is letter F. F says fur. F says fur. F for flip flops. Flip flops. F for family. F for family. F for folk. F for folk. Next letter is letter G. G says G. G says G. Jigger, gloves. Jigger, gloves. Jigger, gold. Jigger, gold. Jigger, Google. Jigger, Google. Next letter is letter H. H says her. H says her. H, her helmet. H, a helmet. H, her hairbrush. H, her hairbrush. H, her heart. H, her heart. I says E. I says E. I-E, India. I-E, India. I-E, insect. I-E, insect. I-E, internet. I-E, internet. Next letter is letter J. J says J. J says J. J, jackfruit. J, jackfruit. J, jewelry. J, jewelry. J, jacuzzi. J, jacuzzi. Next alphabet is K. K says K. K, kitchen. K, kitchen. K, keychain. K, keychain. K, ketchup. K, ketchup. Next alphabet is alphabet L. L says L. L says L. L, laugh. L, laugh. L, laptop. L, laptop. L, lizard. L, lizard. Next letter is letter M. M says M. M says M. M, mirror. M, mirror. M, money. M, money. M, medicine. M, medicine. Next letter is letter N. N says N. N, nails. N, nails. N, night. N, night. N, nature. N, nature. Next is alphabet O. O says O. O says O. O, olives. O, olives. O, orange. O, orange. O, ostrich. O, ostrich. Next letter is P. P says P. Peeper, peanut. Peeper, peanut. Peeper, pillow. Peeper, pillow. Peeper, pizza. Peeper, pizza. Next letter is Q. Q says quer. Quer. Q, quer, question. Q, quer, question. Q, quer, quote. Q, quer, quote. Q, quer, quilt. Q, quer, quilt. Next letter is letter R. R says R. R says R. R, ribbon. R, ribbon. R, room. R, room. R, robot. R, robot. Next letter is letter S. S says sir. S says sir. S, slime. S, slime. S, sorry. S, sorry. S, sister. S, sister. Next letter is letter T. T says T. Teeter, T. Teeter, T. Teeter, taco. Teeter, taco. Teeter, tent. Teeter, tent. Next letter is U. U says U says U umbrella. U uncle. U uncle. And sometimes U की sound की जगह U भी आती है, like U unicorn. U unicorn. Next letter is letter V. V says V. V says V. Weaver village. Weaver village. Weaver video. Weaver video. Weaver vendor. Weaver vendor. Next letter is W. W says wa. 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 W wall. W wet. W wind. Next letter is X. X says x. X. X fix. X mix. X X-ray. Next letter is Y. Y says year. Y says year. Wire yawn. Wire yawn. Wire yoga. Wire yoga. Wire yogurt. Wire yogurt. And the last alphabet is Z. Z. Z says Z. Z says Z. Z zucchini. Z zucchini. Z zoom. Z zoom. Z zebra crossing. Z zebra crossing. These were the sounds of all the alphabets. I hope ये video आपके लिए बहुत useful रहेगी. Do like it and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.